How to make a poll on YouTube. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. You can create a poll on YouTube using the community tab on your channel. For this, first of all, open YouTube application on your mobile and sign in into your account. Tap on your profile picture, which is on the bottom right, and tap on View Channel. Scroll down a bit and you must see a community tab. Tap on it. Once that is done, there is a text box which says share a sneak peek of your next video. Tap on it and it will take you to another page. Now, if you see in the bottom, you will see a bar graph or a poll option. From there, you can click on add option and add the option of the questions you like. In ask your community text box, write down the poll question that you want to ask the community. After that, you can click on add options as well if you want more options. Additionally, you can also add text, images, GIFs, or videos to your post. Once you're satisfied with your post or the poll, you can tap on post option, which is on the top right corner. Keep in mind that the community tab is available to channels with 500 or more subscribers. Polls are a great way to engage your audience and gather the feedback. Your subscribers will see the poll in their subscription feed and can vote and comment on it. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.